YOLO is our school's flagship student empowerment summit, and we do this once every alternate year. We bring together almost 60 speakers under one roof to ensure that teenagers have good exposure and experiences to advice and outlook on life that is not usually available to them at home. And that's why we call it YOLO. You only live once, so you get it right, once is enough. And that's our tagline: step up, team up, level up, where we believe that you're better together in teams, and that you win much higher, bigger, larger when you're together. And we also have our motto and our core values stuck together, saying go live. G for grit, O for opportunity, L for love, I for integrity, V for vitality, and E for enterprise. So that's what we stand by, and I hope this summit benefits a lot more people. Like Monica ma'am had already said, we're bringing it to your homes as well. It's going live on YouTube. So those of you who can't join us, please enjoy it in the comfort of your home. Thank you so
My
much.
name is Ria, and on behalf of YOLO, I'd like to welcome all of you here today. Thank you so much for coming. Our agenda this year is very, very power packed. We have panel discussions, we have workshops, we have two simultaneous tracks running with multiple different topics. Like Sinduri mentioned, Go Live is our motto for this year. So we are covering all our six objectives in a way.
Yes.
And we've taken each of these as a theme to structure our sessions around them. It's very, very interactive, it's very insightful, and it's going to keep our students extremely occupied through the day. I don't think they'll even realize where 8 hours of their time is gone. And in addition to this, for the first time, we are introducing a session by under 18. They're hosting a 2-day entrepreneurship sprint where they'll be training around 160 students and taking them to their entrepreneurship journey, which ends with a really nice Shark Tank inspired competition. The winners are getting a very, very handsome prize. So let's see who wins.
The 2-day summit is going to be power packed, as you've just heard about for the agenda, that it's going to be masterclasses, workshops, and panel discussions where the principals from different schools are also going to be part of. And there is a panel discussion on with our power packed couples also, how they have taken this forward in their lives. I'm also going to be conducting one workshop which is on time management. Well, now it's no longer just time management, it is more of attention management. How easily we pick the phone and we go to do something else, we end up doing something else, and there 45 minutes are gone. So how do we make sure that we use our time judiciously? What do we do? How do we manage distractions and stay focused? So focus is the superpower. That's the session I'm going to be conducting. Looking forward to meeting you all up there. Thank you.
Already spoke about the entire summit, but I would like to add on how our students and the whatever reactions we have got from other schools, they are so excited to be a part of this summit, because it's completely 2 days which are bagless, and their focus is only on looking at learning a lot from the friends, and also they will have networking with the students from other schools, networking with the other universities, and they'll gain a lot of experience. So in extension to the time management workshop which Monica ma'am is doing, I am doing a workshop on study skills, so which will actually help and benefit students to just focus and how to manage their time and focus on their skills, which will help them study and learn better. Thank you.